Hey everyone, we're at Mid-Valley Clay in Target. It's kind of like a golf course, except you carry a shotgun and shoot at shit. So yeah, hopefully this will be a good time. Oh yeah, I got this cool little pouch. It's like my fancy apron. Alright, this is our our first attempt. Again? Yeah, I'll try for A again and see what happens. How many targets does it take? Okay. That's not so bad. Ah! You were low, I think. Okay, cool. Yeah! Haha! Cool. Ah! Cool. Nicked it. Alright, so here's the next score. Ready? Yeah. Cool. Well, this place is right next to the highway. It's kind of strange to me. I was saying, this place is right next to the highway. Go on. Pull. Ah. Pull. Alright, got one at least. Oh man. 1 for 6. Shit. That one's fast. First one's really fast. Nice. That looked beautiful. You can see the wad flying right at it.
What?
You can see the wad flying right at it.
Man, alright, so I got this one's 8
targets. Pull. Pull. Ah! Pull. Pull. Two more. There were 2 on that one, huh? Yeah, that was good.
Cool. I want that rabbit again. Okay, hit that thing. Ready? Hold on, hold on. Oh. Go. See. Ah! Cool. Beat. Cool. Oh man. You have 3 more. There's 2 more down there. That'll be the last one. Let's get back to get some. Alright, we'll do the rabbit. And then D. Okay. Cool. Ready? Yeah. I threw the rabbit just to mess with you. See if you would get to